Residents under quarantine in St. Mary received another set of care packages yesterday. A team from the Ministry of Labour and Social Security issued the items just days before the 2-week quarantine expires. Details in this report.
What a difference a week makes. Tempers have calmed in communities in quarantine in St. Mary, where some days ago the people were hopping mad about the coordination of the distribution of care packages. And so the authorities got an opportunity to press the reset button on Friday. The vans were loaded and ready. Unlike the first occasion, instead of complaints, the people were more accepting.
Well, me not have no problem with it, because it is securing the whole community from getting this disease.
It's all right, because we have to have social distance and our yard. But some of my people now obey the rule, but they have to still obey. Because if they don't obey, the disease is going to spread more, and we don't want it to spread more.
Trouble with police, them not really molest you and the police. So we are all right still, we give thanks.
State Minister for Social Security Xavier Main says by now residents should have received packages.
We would have distributed to date in excess of 2,100 packages, and we are now today commencing the second phase of distribution. It is our assumption that a care package distributed by the ministry would serve an average-sized family for a period of 6 days.
Food stuff, all right. You don't come like me go shop in a supermarket. I don't get none of little money, but me at least me get a package same way.
Each package is to serve a household of 4, but officials say additional packages are given to families with up to 8 or more persons. Janella Precious, TVJ News.